guys, today I'm going to show you how to get rid of these nasty scratches on your interior plastic runner boards. Now, going in and out of the car, you're constantly dragging your feet in and out of it, probably rubbing against them, causing light surface scratches. So first, we're going to wipe them down clean with some isopropyl alcohol and some soap, and then apply some heat to them to hopefully make them disappear. I pulled the two runner boards out of my car. This one in particular here that I'm holding up is the driver's side, and you can immediately tell the amount of scratches on top of it caused by the shoes and heels going in and out of the car. So this looks kind of ugly, but this passenger one here doesn't look all that bad, to be honest with you. And quite frankly, that's just because, you know, I don't carry many passengers with me. So let's wipe them down, soap them up, and then apply some heat. Alright, I gave them a good soap down off camera here. I thought you guys wouldn't see that. I'm just going to use some isopropyl alcohol. This one in particular here is 70%. Just going to give it a quick wipe down before the heat. Alright, these are super clean now. Wipe them down with soap and water, then alcohol. So let's apply some heat. We're going to first put the heat gun to a low setting. Now you don't want to concentrate the heat on just one particular area here. You want to keep it moving, rotating. Now the key trick here is to move the heat around very quickly. Don't let it sit on one particular area for too long, or you're going to heat it up too much and it's going to become shiny, melting the plastic as well. So you just want it there long enough, just until you see it disappear. Alright guys, that was a good 5 minutes here, so let's have a look at see the results. Look at that. I don't see any scratches. Oh, there's that one there. That one there is a relatively deep gouge. So, you know, this is for light surface scratches, not necessarily deep gouges. Hey guys, that worked out really well for myself. I removed all the scratches on these interior runner boards, and I'm hoping you guys will find this useful for yourself as well. Leave a comment below and let me know. See you again.